Hello everyone, welcome to my channel NCERT Mathematics Learning Hub. In this video, we will start a new topic, that is coordinate geometry. So we will have an introduction class on coordinate geometry, and then we are going to discuss how to find the distance between the 2 points if the coordinates are being given for these 2 points. Okay, so let us first understand what is coordinate geometry. Coordinate geometry, it is a branch of geometry where the position of a point on the plane is defined with the help of the ordered points, ordered numbers, also known as coordinates. Okay, so let us understand what is that actually. So if I am going to ask you, find the position of this point, let it be point A, and I am asking you to find the position of this point, then you will be simply say it as minus 2. Then if I am going to ask you find the position of this point B, then you will be saying that the position of this point is plus 4. So this is how we will find the position of the point if it is in a single line or it is one dimensional, 1D. Okay, so if I am saying you find the position of this point, now you will say it is not lying on this line, then how can we find the position of this point, right? So in all of this case, we have to deal with the coordinate system, that is coordinate graph or Cartesian form or XY plane. Okay, so if I have a plane like this, a square plane, and if I am asking you to find the position of these 2 points, then imagine this is your y-axis and this is your x-axis. So you will be understand it better if I am going to plot this point on the graph. So what do you call to this horizontal line? It is x-axis. We will name it as x dash. Then what is this vertical line? It is y-axis, y dash, right? Then if I am asking you to find the position of this point, then how do you find? You will find the position of this point with respect to x-axis. So with respect to x-axis, this is your x-axis. With respect to x-axis, what is the position? So you will be writing there 2, because with respect to x-axis the position is 2, right? In the same way, you will be finding the position of this point with respect to y-axis. So you will draw a line and you will find it. It is also 2. So you observe that the position of this point is at 2, 2, right? And what do you call to the center point where the 2 axes will be intersect? It is the origin. Okay, the center point where the 2 axes will meet, it is called it as origin. That the coordinate of the origin will be always 0, 0, right? So if I am going to ask you, find the position of this point, let me name it as B. What is the position of this point? So what will you do? You will find the position of this point with respect to x-axis. So you will, if you want, you can draw a perpendicular line here and find the position with respect to x-axis. So you will say it is minus 2, and then you will find the position of this point with respect to y-axis. So it is 5. So this is how you will name coordinate if the point will be given to you. So always the point or the coordinate will be represented with the 2 letters x and y. X indicates the position of the point with respect to x-axis, and y indicates the position of the point with respect to y-axis. So let us now understand, let me tell you how to plot the point if the coordinate is given to you. We learned how to name the point, how to name the coordinate if the point is given. Now we will understand how to plot the point if the coordinate is given to you. If it is minus 2, 3, how will you name? You will find minus 2 on the x-axis. Where it is here. Now on the same line you will be finding 3 on the y-axis. So 3 is here. So this is the position of the point. And if you want to name the point, let it be H or something, then the same name you need to write it here. So by chance it has lie on the same line what we have drawn. So this is how we will be plotting the point if the coordinate is provided. So let us now understand how to find the distance between the 2 points if the coordinate of the 2 points are given to you. So this is the very first question of exercise 7.1 from the coordinate geometry chapter of the NCERT mathematics textbook. Okay, so the question says find the distance between the following pair of points. So these are the two parts of the question that I have taken from question 1, and this is the second question that I have taken from the exercise 7.1. Okay, so let us first for one problem let us understand how to plot the points, and then we'll be finding the distance between the 2 points. So it is 2, 3. What does it mean? First number will be the x coordinate and the second number will be the y coordinate. So with respect to x axis it is 2, so here it is. With respect to y axis it is 3, so maybe the point is here. Then the second point is with respect to x axis it is 4, and with respect to y axis it is 1. So it is with respect to x axis 4, with respect to y axis here, right? And you need to find the distance between these 2 points. So let us solve this by using distance formula. What is distance formula? We have d is equals to square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, right? Then we will find out what is the value of x2, x1, y1, y2, everything from this. So you can take x1, y1, this one, this point or this point, it is your choice, it is up to your choice, but you cannot take x1, x2. So let me take the first value, this one, x1, and what is y1? Y1 is equals to 3, right? Then x2 will be equals to 4, y2 will be equals to 1. So let us now substitute in the distance formula. D is equals to square root of x2 minus x1. So it is 4 minus 2 whole square plus y2 minus y1. So 1 minus 3 whole square, right? So what will you get? Plus 1 and minus 1 minus 3. So both are having opposite sign. You will be subtracting and writing the bigger number sign. So minus 2 whole square, right? 2 square is nothing but 4 plus minus 2 into minus 2. Minus 2 whole square is nothing but minus 2 into minus 2 2s are 4. You will be writing here as well 4. So you are getting here 8. Then can I write it like this? 4 into 2. There is a rule for indices. If I have got it like this can be written separately. Fine. So square root of 4 is 2, and this root 2 I am going to copy it as it is. So this is the answer. So let us now come to the next problem. Let us write the value of x1, which is equals to a. x2 value will be equals to minus a. y1 value will be equals to b, and y2 value is equals to minus b. Now let us write the formula for distance, that is square root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. Fine. Then let us substitute all the values here. x2 is what? Minus a, minus x1 is a. So let us write here plus y2 minus y1. y2 is minus b minus, and this is y1 is b. So let us write that as well. So we got it here. So both the numbers, both the variables are having the same sign. So we'll add that, right? So minus 2a whole square, right? Plus even here also you'll be getting minus 2b whole square, because both the variables are having the same sign. Then if minus 2a into minus 2a, if you will do, what are you going to get? Let us just write it somewhere here. Minus 2a into minus 2a, what are you going to get? Minus into minus plus, 2 2s are 4, a square, right? So let us write here 4a square, plus in the same way when you will do for b, you will be getting 4b square, right? Now what can we do? Can we take 4 common? Let us take 4 common. Then we are remaining with a square plus b square, right? Now again, as we did for the last problem, we can separate this root for both. This is the indices law. This root is for 4 as well as this root is for a square plus b square, right? So square root of 4 is nothing but 2. 2 square root of a square plus b square. So this is the answer, we have got it. Now the next question, I have already told you, it is not from the first question of 7.1. It is some different question, that is actually second question from 7.1 exercise. And I have taken it together because it is also based on the same thing, finding the distance between the points. Here you can observe the distance they have asked you to find from the origin. Origin, what is the coordinate of the origin? I have already told you, it is 0, 0. So sometimes they will give you the second coordinate, that is 0, 0. And actually most of the times in the board paper they have asked you find the distance of this point from the origin. So origin have the coordinate 0, 0. So you should understand the second coordinate is 0, 0. So let us write that x1 is equals to 0, y1 is also 0. Then x2 is equals to 36, y2 will be equals to 15, right? Now let us write the distance formula. What is the distance formula? We have x2 minus x1, and it is the whole square. Don't get confused with this square and this 2. This is just for numbering, because we have 2x. Because of that we have just given it the name x2 x1 something like that, and it is the square thing, okay? And in the same way for y also, we have just named it as y1 and y2, but here it is the square, right? So let us substitute everything. x2 is 36 minus 0 square plus 15 minus 0 square, right? So let us just write the simplification thing. So here we have 36 square, 36 minus 0 is 36, plus 15 minus 0 is 15, so 15 square, right? So let us find out 15 square and 36 square. So 36 square is nothing but 1296 plus 15 square. What is the value of 15 square? It is nothing but 225. So let us add these two and then we are going to get the answer. So how much do you get after adding? You are going to get 1521. So this is the answer for this question. Whenever they are going to ask you find the distance of a point from the origin, you need to understand the second point is the origin. So that's it for today's class. In the next class, we will be understanding if the points are collinear or if the points are forming an isosceles triangle, if points are given to you in the coordinate system. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon.